You know, a lot of people ask me, what if I found the best deal of my life and I really want to buy that property? The seller wants to sell it, but we have no access to a written legal document. How do I make sure that I create that document right there and then and not risking that somebody else would come in and buy that property? Well, today in this video, I'm going to teach you 4 components that will make your contract legal and binding. Number 1, legal object. What is being bought and sold must be of a legal nature. Number 2, competency. The parties to the transaction must be of competent nature. You cannot have an underage person sign a contract that is a valid contract, or someone who does not have the mental capacity. Number 3, consideration. That is the amount of money that's involved in the transaction that you are paying to the seller to purchase his property. It doesn't have to always be money. It can be love and affection. As long as you consider it a valuable consideration and you both agree to it, it's going to be binding. And ultimately, mutual consent. Mutual consent is that you and the seller, you being the buyer and the seller, both of you mutually agree to this transaction and that amount of consideration. In fact, the language in the contract must indicate that you're both mutually agreeing to the terms of this contract. Okay? So there you have it. 4 elements of a valid and binding contract. But of course, don't forget, put a date on it and sign it. That way you really reinforce your case. So good luck to you, and I hope you find the deal of your life, and now you know how to make that purchase legal and binding, and there you have it. See you next time.